Welcome back to class. So our second question, yes, we are still on this. The second question also asks us to find the radius of the circular path. Then the electrons moves at right angles to a magnetic field of 1.5 times 10 to the power of minus 2 Tesla with a speed of this 6.6 times 10 to the power of 27 meter per second. If the specific charge of the electron is 1.7 times 10 to the power of 11 coulomb per kilogram, what will be the radius of the circular path? How do we go about solving this? Here we are not given kinetic energy unlike our previous question. So we need to recollect that the electron enters at right angles. So in that case, it is basically our mv squared over, let's derive this, over r, centripetal force to be equals to what? QVB sine 90, that's still 1. Then if you reduce it, you're going to be having by reducing it, 1v cancel out 1v here. Then our radius finally becomes mv over qb. Yeah, this is the radius we are looking for. That's the radius we are looking for. So how do we plug in our value? Now look at this unit here, coulomb per kilogram. This is actually charge over mass. Charge over mass. This is the value, that is specific charge. That's charge per unit mass. That's how do we do that here? How do we do charge over mass here? As you can still recall, we write this formula as our R to be equals to V over Q over M times B. Because this is the same thing as this. So we can plug in our value. So our radius R becomes the speed given to us, which is 6 times 10 to the power of 27 meter per second, over then the charge per unit mass, that is 1.7 times 10 to the power of 11 coulomb per kilogram, multiplied by the B, the magnetic field, which is 1.5 times 10 raised to the power of 2 Tesla. When you punch your calculator for this, what do we have? Should be having 2.35 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 meter. 2.35 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 meter. We can convert it to centimeter by multiplying it by 100. Therefore, the radius becomes 2.35 centimeter. Thank you very much for watching. Do also like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.